Wat? Wat's dit? Jessica, kan jy my sê wat staan?
What did you say?
Ag man. O,
I
sorry.
don't understand.
Sorry. Ek kan net Afrikaans praat. Mamma?
Sorry, I don't understand what you're saying.
Ag nee man. Ek kan net Afrikaans praat.
What did you say?
Juffrou, kan ek badkamer toe?
English, please.
Kan ek badkamer toe?
What?
Badkamer
Okay,
toe.
I don't care. What? Go.
Kan ek 'n potlood gaan haal?
A what?
'n pot.
No. What did you get for 64?
64. Ek het die antwoord 10 gekry.
You got the what?
Die antwoord 10. O ja, ek kan net Afrikaans praat.
Okay.
Sorry, ek kan jou nie help nie.
Okay, I guess. I don't quite understand.
Ja. Huh? Focus please. O, sorry. Ek gaan net huis toe gaan. Ma,
What?
wanneer is aandete? Toe maar.
What?
Ek wil net terug na Engels toe gaan. Dear diary. I'm English again. Mom, what I was gonna
Spaghetti.
say is